Do you want to play a game?
What game? What game?
Zingo!
Jingo!
This is Zingo, bingo with a zing. Zingo has won many awards including the Oppenheim Gold, the Parent Choice Award, the ASTRA Best Toys for Kids Award, and a 3-time Toy Year Nominee, which makes a great toy for early beginner learners. Now playing Zingo is like bingo. 1. You slide the zinger. 2. You make a match. 3. You fill your cards to win, and you fill it all up, you say Zingo! And best of all, it's easy to clean up by putting the cards back into the slots. Included in the game, you get 1 Zingo Zinger, 78 picture tiles, 7 double-sided Zingo cards, and best of all, your instructions. Now this is a great game for early learners. It's great for focusing on skills like matching, image and word recognition, and concentration. Let's take a look at your Zingo Zinger. This is basically made of hard plastic and it's quite durable. And when I mean durable, it's tested and proved by my kids. Inside it you have your 78 picture tiles. Now the 78 picture tiles are made out of hard plastic. Your kids are more likely to lose them than break them. Now it's easy to clean up. You can either dump them back all in or you can slide it back into the slot like this. It requires a bit of dexterity and force to push it back in. Something probably kids at age 3 will probably take quite a bit of while to master. Now I highly recommend Zingo for all families and early learners. But this is the one of the biggest letdown, the Zingo Zinger. When you pull on the Zingo Zinger, you're supposed to get 2 tiles, but sometimes you get 4 tiles. Sometimes you get 2 tiles and a half, where the half tile gets jammed in the Zingo Zinger, and it becomes really frustrating after quite a while to get that jammed tile out of the Zingo Zinger and constantly do that over and over again, especially when kids are so interested in pulling on the Zingo Zinger back and forth. Now, I found that the only way to get 2 card tiles consistently is to quickly pull back and forth on the Zingo Zinger. Otherwise, you get a jam tile or multiple tiles at once. Now, if you experienced similar issues with the Zingo Zinger, please let me know in the comments below and how you fixed it. Now, including your game, you have your 7 double-sided Zingo cards. Each side is unique and it's quite durable. Now, the green side is for easy play. And when you turn it over, you get your red side. The red side will take a little bit longer to play because the odds of finding those tiles are a little bit harder. Now playing the Zingo Zinger is pretty straightforward. You pull on the Zingo Zinger and get your tiles and match it on the pieces on the board. If it doesn't match anything, you just return them back into the Zingo Zinger and continue on to the next one. Once you've found all the pieces on the tile board, you just say Zingo. And that's how you play Zingo. Pretty fun and straightforward for all kids. Now Zingo is such a fun game. I highly recommend it for early learners. And kids will easily master the rules even at age 3. If you got the game for just purely for sight words, I wouldn't recommend it because these kids would highly pick up on the tiles pretty fast. Now, not only does Zingo help enhance matching and image and word recognition and concentration, it also teaches the kids about following the rules of the game. And this hopefully will lead to other fun games for the kids to enjoy later on in life.
Jingo!
What do you think about the game?
It's great and fun. Here's the front cover and this is the back cover. What you have to do. You see it? First you need to do this and this and this, then this.